The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 21, verse 83.
And mention Job, when he called to his Lord, "Indeed, adversity has touched me."
This supplication indicates the importance of possessing good etiquettes and manners towards Allah, the Exalted. Even though all things in the universe only occur because Allah, the Exalted, wills them to, it is out of good character not to ascribe things which are disliked, such as illness, to Allah, the Exalted, verbally, as doing this can lead to impatience. The Holy Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, demonstrated this good characteristic in the following verse, when he ascribed illness to himself, and curing the illness to Allah, the Exalted, even though they both come from Allah, the Exalted. Chapter 26, verse 80.
And when I am ill, it is he who cures me.
Ascribing only good things to Allah, the Exalted, encourages one to remain patient and truly grateful, which is shown by using each blessing one possesses in the correct way. This supplication also indicates that there is no harm in mentioning one's problem to someone who has the power to correct it, such as a medical doctor. But this should be minimized to those who are experts in the field, or to those who possess knowledge and the fear of Allah, the Exalted. This is important, as the one who fears Allah, the Exalted, will never advise others to disobey Allah, the Exalted. One should not discuss their problems with every relative and friend, as this will undoubtedly lead to complaining against Allah, the Exalted, and receiving bad advice. In addition, repeating one's difficulty over and over again only leads to the problem appearing bigger than it actually is, which again leads to impatience and the disobedience of Allah, the Exalted. Finally, this supplication shows that desiring a change in circumstances, such as supplicating for good health during illness, does not contradict patience, as long as one does not complain about their situation and remains obedient to Allah, the Exalted, through the situation.